Happy morning, children. And today we are going to learn a very interesting and a beautiful topic. It is about my mother. This is a poem written by Anne Taylor. Anne Taylor, sister of Jane Taylor, who wrote the poem Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay. Here the author is telling about his mother. His mother, it is also about our mother. Let me ask you a question. Does your mother help you? Are you sad when your mother is not at home? Do you like to play with your mother? Does she tell you stories? This is all a question. So you all can think about it and answer in your mind. Mother is a mother. She loves us, isn't it? So telling about a mother, she is the very kindest person that we know in this world, isn't it? Mother. She scolds us when we are naughty, but makes us feel like a princess or a queen when we are good. She's always by our side. She doesn't go and support anyone. She's always by our side. She takes care of us when we are sick. She always has time for us. Even when she is working or when we ask her to help us, she immediately does. She puts everything down and she comes and she is ready to help us all the time. So we always love our mother. Okay. And here, mother. There is no words to explain about mother. அம்மானா சொல்றதுக்கு வார்த்தையே கிடையாது. Okay. So whenever we are in trouble or in pain, what is the word comes in our mouth? Suddenly, Amma, isn't it? So mother is everything to us and it naturally comes. ரொம்ப யதார்த்தமா ஏதாச்சும் அம்மா அப்படின்னு கத்துறது, isn't it? So mother is everything to us because she loves us. Let's read the poem. My mother, who sat and watched my infant head. Infant means baby, a small baby, okay? When sleeping on my cradle bed. You know what I mean by cradle? Total solluvom illaya? The small bed like which moves on. And tears of sweet affection shed my mother. Affection na anbu kaamikirathu. Okay, that is affection. So the first stanza says, she is the one who watches when we are sleeping. And she loves us and she does everything to us. And her tears of sweet affection shed. And I don't know how many of you have experienced that. Mother will be very happy to see her baby on her lap. She does everything, isn't it? When her baby sleeps in the cradle, she loves to see that and she enjoys and she is very happy to see. So that is my mother. She used to sit nearby us and she used to watch us how we sleep. That is our mother. Next, who dressed my doll in clothes so gay? Gay means colorful and fondly taught me how to play and minded all I had to say. My mother. The second stanza says that she dresses her doll, baby's doll, with colorful dresses. She stitches them and she puts the doll with the colorful dresses and she taught how to play and also minded giving some instruction, giving ஒரு சில காரியங்களை சொல்றது, how we have to play, how we have to do this and that. She is the one. Mother is the one who gives us instruction how to be. We have to obey her. So that is our mother. That is my mother. Fondlyனா ரொம்ப விருப்பத்தோட நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு காரியத்தை சொல்லுவாங்க, இது செய்யக்கூடாது, இதை பண்ணக்கூடாது. Mother is the only person who can tell us. The third stanza, who ran to help me when I fell and would some pretty story tell or kiss the place to make it well. My mother. This is very real, a very loving thing, very kind of us, mother. When we run and when we fall down, she suddenly automatically she comes and she kisses that place. அந்த அடிப்பட்ட இடத்த அம்மா முத்தம் போடுவாங்க, பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? To feel us, to make us feel good. அந்த வலியெல்லாம் போயிடும். அம்மா வந்து அதில் ஒரு கிஸ் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா she does that. Have your mother done to you? Yes, mother does that. Who ran to help me when I fell down. She comes suddenly, she runs to me, she picks me up, she holds me and she pats me. And with some pretty story tell, she also tells a story. She makes us to feel good. அந்த வலியெல்லாம் போகிறதுக்காக she always tells story. Or kisses the place to make it well. That is my mother. Okay, the last stanza. And can I ever cease to be affectionate and kind to thee, who was so very kind to me, my mother. I cannot stop loving my mother. We cannot stop, isn't it? Can we stop loving our mother? Whatever mother does. If she gets angry or if she scolds us or if she does anything, with a fraction of a second, we just forget all that and we'll just go run to our mother. Mother is everything to us. We cannot stop loving her. This is cease means it is thee is you. It is you and me. So that is our mother. So the last stanza, it's about telling about the love of a mother. Love of a mother. Love towards our mother. நம்ம எப்படி அம்மாவை விரும்புவோம்? We cannot stop loving her, isn't it? Can anyone tell me, Ma, I don't like my mother. I cannot love her. There is no end for all. That love has no ending. Mother's love is very precious to us. Let's respect our mother, be loving to her, and be obedient. Mother tells us good to all her children. இது தப்பு அப்படின்னு நல்லது கெட்டது சொல்லி தரது யாரு? Only a mother can do that. So I want you all to give respect and love your mother, anything else, other than anything else, okay? So read the poem. And this is a small passage taken from my mother, written by Ann Taylor, okay? And then coming to the grammar part, we learnt about adverb, isn't it? In the last lesson we learnt about adverb, and here adverbs are 3 types. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. What do you mean by adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner tells us how an action is done. ஒரு காரியம் எப்படி நடந்துச்சு. இப்போ ஒரு காரியம் மேனர்னா என்ன? நம்மளுடைய மேனர்ஸ், நம்ம கோவப்படுறோமா, அமைதியில் சொன்னோமா, இல்லை ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக சொன்னோமா அப்படின்றத ஒரு ஆக்ஷன், ஒரு காரியம் நடக்குது இல்லையா, அதை நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம செஞ்சோம், எப்படி நம்ம பண்ணணும், எப்படி அதை நடத்தணும் அப்படின்றது தான் தட் இஸ் அட்வர்ப்ஸ் ஆஃப் மேனர். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், பொலைட்லி, ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக, ஈஸிலி, ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக செஞ்சுட்டாங்க, ஹாப்பிலி, யூனோ, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக. ஸோ ஹவு தட் ஒர்க் இஸ் டன், ஒரு வேலை நம்ம செய்ய போகிறோம், ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் பண்ண போகிறோம், அது how it is done, that is called adverbs of manner. Next, adverbs of place tells us where an action is done. எங்க நடந்துச்சு இல்ல? So it is done இங்கயா, அவுட்சைட்லையா, கிட்டையா அப்படின்னு சொல்ல, there, outside, nearby, that is called adverbs of place. Next, adverbs of time tells us when an action is done. எப்போ நடந்துச்சு, how, where and when, that is adverb. பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா last classல? How, where and when. ஒரு காரியம் நடக்குது, இல்லாட்டி இனி நடக்க போகுது, that is called an adverb பார்த்தோம். So here 3 types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place and adverbs of time. The manner, place and time ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. மேனர்னா நம்ம எப்படி நடந்துக்கிட்டோம், நம்மளுடைய செய்கை, நம்மளோட ஆக்ஷன் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு, எந்த இடத்துல நடந்துச்சு, எந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல நம்ம எப்படி நடந்துக்கிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் அட்வர்ப், எந்த நேரத்துல நம்ம அப்படி நடந்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்றது. எஸ்டர்டே, சூன் ஆர் நெவர். நெவர்னா எப்போதுமே இல்லை, சூன்னா ரொம்ப கிட்ட, எஸ்டர்டே நேற்று நடந்துச்சு சொல்லுவேன். திஸ் இஸ் கால் adverbs of manner, adverbs of place and adverbs of time. Okay, so we have few exercises to done. Let's do that in our class work note and also in our textbook, and the exercise has to be done in the workbook. Okay, and I have an assignment for you. I want you all to write a small paragraph about your mother. Okay, everybody knows that you have a mother, So you're going to write about your mother. What do you think? What do you feel of her? நீ உன்னுடைய சொந்தது. Don't ask your parents to help. உன்னுடைய அம்மாவை பத்தி நீ whatever it is, whether it is right or wrong, don't mind. சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து கரெக்டாக இருக்கா, கரெக்டாக இருக்கமா, நத்திங் இல்லை. ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு ஐயோ தப்பா எழுதியிருக்க. நோ, நாட் லைக் தட். வாட் எவர் யூ ஃபீல், உனக்கு என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணிச்சோ, ரைட் அபவுட் யுவர் மதர். இட் கேன் பி a small paragraph or a big paragraph, but you have to write by your own. Don't seek help from anyone. Just write about your mother, how you feel. நீ எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ற உன்னுடைய அம்மாவை? You do that, and that is going to be your assignment. Thank you, children.